library, and this instructional video from Murrindindi Library Service will step you through how to use Borrowbox free library app to read ebooks on your Android phone or tablet. Before we start, make sure you have your phone or tablet device with Wi-Fi turned on, your library card and PIN number at hand. To get a Murrindindi library card, call Murrindindi Shire Council on 5772 0333. This instruction is for using Android. There is a separate video for iPad and iPhone users. On your phone or tablet, go to Play Store and search for Borrowbox. Select Borrowbox Library, choose Install. You will be asked to accept a number of conditions. It may take some time to install. Once installed, you may open Borrowbox from the Play Store or find the Borrowbox library icon on your phone screen and click to open. Now you will need your library card. Your login screen will look like this. Start typing Yarra Plenty Library. Enter your ID barcode, which is your library card number printed on your card. Enter your PIN, password, sign in. Read and click Agree to the terms and conditions. And you're in! Thanks for joining me. You can follow Murrindindi Library Service or go to the Murrindindi Shire Council website for the next video, how to use Borrowbox Library.